Hello guys, wishing you a happy new year and welcome to Factbox. In today's video, we will see about the top 10 weird facts that took place in 2020, and do subscribe to our channel and do share and like the video. So now let's look at the first fact. Space. The year 2020 was the defining year for the Indian space sector, to put it in a different orbit with the private sector as a co-traveler of the Indian Space Research Organization. The year began well for the ISRO with the launch of the 3357 kg communication satellite GSAT-30 by the European Space Agency on January 17. The year ends with successfully launching PSLV C-50 and injecting CMSO-1 into the orbit. It's the 42nd communication satellite of the India. India is scaling new heights with each launch. Now moving towards this next fact, saved a lot of animals. The pandemic likely beginning in a wet food market in Wuhan has forced a rethink on the treatment of other species that go far behind its point of origin. China's wildlife protection law now applies at the sea for the first time, reducing its vast fishing fleet's massive footprint. Back on land, China started protecting the pangolin, the world's most trafficked mammal, which was close to extinction. Interpol launched a massive international crackdown on multiple forms of protected species smuggling, and the simple fact of less traffic meant fewer animals killed by cars. Fatal collision with wild animals in the US alone down 58% this year. Third, tech fact. There's been a lot of talk about techlash or pushback against the latest technology, but the facts don't bear this out. People are using technology more than ever. According to the Technology Vision Consumer Survey, 52% of consumers say that technology plays a prominent role or is ingrained into almost all aspects of their day-to-day lives. 19% report that technology is so intertwined with their lives that they view it as an extension of themselves. Globally, people spend an average of 6.4 hours online daily. Now, coming to the fourth fact, that is, more cities banished more cars. As traffic dropped everywhere, so did pollution. Many of us decided we liked the clear skies and increased walkability of cities that resulted. The mayor of Paris, another smart female leader, cruised to re-election by promising to eliminate half of all on-street parking spots and prioritize cyclists. Next up, turning major avenues into pedestrian zones and creating pedestrian children's streets around schools. Fifth, we made the land greener. It isn't that the world is getting greener in satellite photos. That's just the planet's plant matter doing us a favor and soaking up more of that carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. For example, 2 million people in India planted 250 million trees in one weekend this year, the latest and largest in an ongoing annual planting schemes that aims to reforest the subcontinent. Sixth, started a work from home revolution. A lot of genies were let out of the bottles this year. One of the largest was the number of people who discovered they don't need to be in the office to be productive. An estimated 3.4% of the US workforce was allowed to work at home pre-pandemic. With the work from home scheme, people appear to be spending more time on their job, not less. 7. Black Lives Matter. The protests may have died down since the summer, but the widespread temper at racist policing remains. It may well turn to the streets soon, when 4 former Minneapolis officers are actually put on trial for the death of George Floyd. In the meantime, we can take heart from the sheer size of the mass movement it sparked, which was estimated as the US largest in the history, even in the middle of the pandemic. We can be proud of the fact that they were responsible masked non-super spreader events, and though progress is painfully slow, the movement has a huge impact already. Some of these efforts came through ballot measures in November, the most successful of which flipped the script from the hot button phrase defund the police to invest in other services. 8. Women's leader job done. The year that the US elected its first female vice president was also a shining moment for women's leaders worldwide. Jacinda Ardern, Prime Minister of New Zealand, led a nationwide effort to eradicate the virus and became the world's most COVID negative country. She won re election by a landslide. Second place, Taiwan also has a female president, Tsai Ing-wen. Angela Merkel in Germany and Sanna Marin in Finland also won praises for their early responses. 9. Medical fact: healthcare destruction due to COVID-19 could reverse decades of improvements, the UN says. This could result in hundreds of thousands of additional under 5 deaths this year. The pandemic has interrupted childhood immunization program in about 70 countries. 10. Know the value of life. We realize just how important travel is to our life. The prospect of not being able to travel indefinitely had many dreaming of destination they had both frequented and never been to. Being able to travel is indeed a privilege, a realization many had in the months they were unable to. From memes to vlogs and open edges, the internet now is full of odes to travel and resolves to be better, more responsible, and conscious travelers going forward. Thank you guys for spending your valuable time with us and hope you have a good day, and once again wishing you all a happy new year.